Hello friend, welcome. Today we are going to see how to learn the SQL language programming A to Z, end to end, to get from the zero to hero means from nothing. If somebody don't know anything about the SQL language, how to come at the expertise level by this using 75 plus different steps, friend. So what are those steps or the guideline for you? So the step 1 to 10 is about basic. First, understand what is SQL and its importance in the base database. Number 2, learn about the different database management systems such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, Oracle, etc. Third, install a DBMS on your local machine or use an online platform like SQL Fiddle or DB Fiddle. Number 4, familiarize yourself with the basic SQL syntax, including the keywords like select, insert, update, and delete. Number 5, start with simple select queries to retrieve the data from a single table. Number 6, learn about the where clause to filter the data based on the specific conditions. Number 7, practice using the logical operators and or not in your where clauses. Number 8, study the order by clause to sort query results. Number 9, understand the group by clause for aggregating data. Number 10, learn about aggregate functions, example count, sum, average, max, minimum, and how to use them with group by. So now joining and the subqueries. 11, dive into different types of joins: inner join, left join, right join, full join, and their purposes. Number 12, practice writing join queries to retrieve data from multiple tables. Number 13, learn about the subqueries and how to use them in select, insert, update, and delete statements. Number 14, understand the difference between the correlated and non-correlated subqueries. Number 15, experiment with different scenarios where subqueries can be useful, such as filtering result based on aggregated data. Number 16, master the concept of table analysis to write more concise and readable queries. Number 17, practice using the self joins to query data within the same table. Number 18, learn about the set operations, union, intersect, except to combine the results from multiple queries. Number 19, understand the importance of the indexing in database and how it can be improve query performance. Number 20, study the explain statement to analyze the execution plan of your queries and optimize them if needed. Now let's learn some advanced concept. In the advanced SQL concept, learn about transaction management and importance of ACID properties. It means atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. Practice using transactions to ensure data integrity and consistency. Number 23, understand the concept of database normalization and its different normal forms: 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, and BCNF. Number 24, learn about the denormalization and when it might be appropriate to denormalize a database. Number 25, study advanced SQL techniques such as window functions, row underscore number, rank, Dennis rank for performing complex calculations. Number 26, experiment with common table expressions to write the more readable and maintainable queries. Number 27, learn about triggers and stored procedures for automating tasks and enforcing business rules. Number 28, understand the role of views in SQL and how they can simplify complex queries. Number 29, practice writing recursive queries to traverse hierarchical data structures. Number 30, explore SQL injection vulnerabilities and learn how to prevent them by using parameterized queries and input validation. So now let's know about the data manipulation and optimization. Master the art of writing efficient SQL queries by optimizing your code and avoiding common pitfalls. Number 32, experiment with different indexing strategies to improve the query performance. Number 33, learn about the query execution plans and how to interpret them to identify the performance bottlenecks. Number 34, Practice using the explain analyze to analyze the actual execution time of your queries. Number 35. Study techniques for optimizing database design such as proper schemas, design, and data partitioning. Number 36. Experiment with the query caching and materialized view to improve the query performance for frequently accessed data. Number 37. Learn about the database locking mechanism and how they affect concurrency and performance. Number 38. Understand the importance of database statistics and how they influence query optimization. Number 39. Study advanced indexing techniques like partial indexes and functional indexes. Number 40. Explore database partitioning strategy to improve the scalability and manageability for large datasets. Now let's see the data modeling and the design. For the data modeling and design, number 41, learn about the entity relationship modeling and how to represent different types of relationship between the entities. Number 42, practice translating the ER diagrams into the relational schemas. Number 43, study normalization techniques to ensure your database design is free from anomalies. Number 44, learn about the database constraint, primary key, foreign key, unique, not null, and their role in enforcing data integrity. Number 45. Experiment with different database design patterns such as star schema and snowflake schema. Number 46. Understand the concept of the database schema evaluation and how to handle the changes to your database structure over time. Number 47. Study the principles of database refactoring and how to refactor your database schema safety. Number 48. Learn about data warehousing concepts and techniques for building and maintaining data warehouses. Number 49. Practice designing data models for specific use cases such as e-commerce, social media, or healthcare. Number 50. Explore the NoSQL databases and understand their differences compared to the traditional relational databases. Now let's go to the database administration, which is important. Number 51. Learn about the database administration tasks such as backup and recovery, security management, and performance timing. Number 52. Understand the different backup strategies, full, differential, incremental, and when to use each. Number 53. Study techniques for disaster recovery and business continuity planning. Number 54. Learn about database security best practices including authentication, authorization, and encryption. Number 55. Practice implementing the role-based access control, which is very important to restrict the access of sensitive data. Number 56. Understand the importance of auditing and logging in database security. Study techniques for monitoring database performance and identifying the performance bottlenecks. Number 58. Learn about the database maintenance tasks such as index rebuilding, statistics updating, and database reorganization. Number 59. Explore the high availability and scalability solutions for databases such as replication, clustering, and sharding. Number 60. Understand the cloud-based database services and their advantages for scalability, reliability, and cost effectiveness. So now let's see the real-world projects and applications. Work on the real-world SQL projects to apply your knowledge in practical scenarios. That's very important. This is hands-on practices where you can work on some projects to get the real implementation and application knowledge. Number 62. Build a simple CRUD, create, read, update, delete application using the SQL and your preferred programming language. Number 63. Practice integrating SQL with other technologies such as web development framework, Django, Ruby on Rails, or data visualization tools like Tableau and Power BI. Number 64. Explore the data analytics and business intelligence applications of SQL by analyzing the real dataset. Number 65. Participate in online coding challenges and competitions focused around the SQL. Number 66. Contribute to open source projects related to database management or SQL query optimization. Number 67. Collaborate with peers or join online communities to share knowledge and learn from others. Number 66. Attend SQL workshop, webinars, and conference to stay updated on the latest trends and developments in the field. Number 69. Write articles or tutorials on the SQL topics to solidify your understanding and help others learn. Number 70. Build a portfolio showcasing your SQL skills and projects to potential employers and clients. Let's see the continuous learning and the improvement, how you can do that. Stay updated on the new features and releases of your chosen database management system. Follow SQL related blogs, forums, and social media channels to stay connected with the community. Number 73. Read books and white papers on the advanced SQL topics and database technologies. Number 74. Enroll in online courses if you want, or certification programs to deepen your knowledge and earn credentials. Number 75. Practice regularly by solving the SQL puzzles, challenges, and exercise. Number 76. Mentor others who are learning the SQL to reinforce yourself with your own understanding and expertise. Number 77. Experiment with new tools, libraries, and frameworks that complement for SQL data. So now, friends, let us see the 30 projects you can do with SQL programming language. So let us go through this. This is very important for you. This project you can do yourself. Just build the idea, build the concept. By using the SQL and programming language, you can able to do this, friend. So let's start the 30 project ideas to help apply your SQL learning and programming knowledge to create the projects to support your knowledge into the real-time application, friends. So let's start. Number 1, the employee management system. You can create a database to manage employee or information, including details such as name, position, salary, department, etc. Implement the CRUD operations and advanced queries for reporting and analysis. Number 2, inventory management system. Design a database to track inventory levels, product details, suppliers, and orders. Implement features for inventory management, order processing, and reporting. Number 3 project you can do, e-commerce platform. Build a database for an e-commerce website, including product catalogs, customer information, orders, payments, and reviews. Implement features for browsing products, placing orders, and managing the user accounts. Number 4 project is that student information system management. Develop a database to store the students' records, courses, grades, attendance. Create interface for student registration, course enrollment, and generating academic reports. Number 5, library management system. Design a database for a library to manage book, borrowers, loans, and fines. Implement features for cataloging books, tracking borrowings, and generating overdue notices. Number 7 project, customer relationship management system, CRM. Create a database to store the customer details, interactions, sales opportunities, and support tickets. Implement features for managing customer relationship, tracking sales pipeline, and analyzing the customer data. Number 7, blogging platform. Build a database for blogging platform to store articles, comments, user profiles, and categories. Implement features for publishing articles, managing comments, and analyzing the traffic data. Number 8, recipe management system. Design a database for storing the recipes, ingredients, cooking instructions, and user ratings. Implement features for searching recipes, creating meal plans, and sharing the recipes with others. Number 9, social media platform. Develop a database for social media platform to store user profiles, post, comments, likes, connections. Implement feature for posting updates, interacting with other users, and analyzing the engagement management metrics. Number 10, expense tracking system. Create a database to track expense, income categories, and budgets. Implement features for recording transactions, generating expense reports, and visualizing the spending patterns. Fitness tracker. Number 11 projects. Design a database for tracking the workouts, exercise progress, and goals. Implement a feature for logging workouts, setting fitness goals, and analyzing the performance over time. Number 12, task management system. Build a database for managing the task, project, deadlines, and assignment. Implement feature for creating tasks, assigning tasks to the users, tracking progress, and generating reports. Number 13, event management system. Develop a database for organizing events, attendees, schedules, and venues. Implement features for event registration, ticketing, and managing event logistics. Number 14. Hotel reservation system. Design a database for managing hotel rooms, reservations, guests, and bookings. Implement feature for room availability, online booking, and check in and check out processes. Number 15. Projects. Survey and feedback system. Create a database for conducting the surveys, collecting feedback, analyzing the response. Implement features for designing surveys, distributing them to the participants, and generating reports. Number 16. Stock portfolio tracker. Build a database for tracking the stock investment portfolios, transactions, and performance. Implement features for monitoring stock price, analyzing portfolio returns, and generating investment reports. Number 17. Medical records management system. Design a database for storing the patient records, appointments, diagnoses, and treatments. Implement the features for scheduling appointments and managing medical histories and generating health reports. Car rental system. You can develop a database for managing the car rentals, vehicles, customers, and reservations. Implement features for booking costs, tracking rental agreements, and managing fleet inventory. Number 19. Projects. You can make the ticketing system. Create a database for handling the ticketing, events, venues, attendees. Implement feature for selling tickets, managing seating arrangements, and processing tickets orders. Number 20. Recruitment management system. Design a database for managing a job posting, candidates, interviews, and hiring process. Implement the features for posting the job openings, scheduling interviews, and tracking applicant status. Number 21. Projects. Property management system. Develop a database for managing the rental properties, leases, tenants, and maintenance requests. Implement features for tracking rental payments, scheduling maintenance, and managing property expenses. Number 22. Projects. Online learning platform. Build a database for online learning platform to store courses, lessons, quizzes, and user progress. Implement features for enrolling in course, completing assignments, and tracking learning outcomes. Number 23. Projects. Volunteer management system. Design a database for managing the volunteer programs, opportunities, schedules, and volunteers. Implement features for recruiting the volunteers, scheduling assignments, and tracking volunteers' hours. Number 24. Task scheduling management. Create a database for scheduling the task, appointments, meetings, and reminders. Implement the feature for setting deadlines, prioritizing tasks, sending notifications. Number 25. Donation management system. Develop a database for managing the donations, donors, campaigns, and contributions. Implement feature for processing donations, tracking donor activity, and generating donation reports. Number 26. Hotel review system. Design a database for collecting the hotel reviews, ratings, feedbacks, and recommendations. Implement the feature for submitting reviews, rating experiences, and searching the hotel based on the user preferences. Number 27. Music library management system. Build a database for managing the music albums, artists, tracks, and playlists. Implement the features for organizing the music collections, creating playlists, and discovering new musics. Number 28. Job board platform. Create a database for a job board platform to store job listing, resumes, employees, and applicants. Implement features for posting job opportunities, applying for jobs, and managing candidate profiles. Number 29. Auction platform. Design a database for online auction platform to store the auction listings, bids, users, items. Implement feature for bidding on items and managing auctions and tracking the bidding activity. Number 30. System projects you can make on the SQL is travel planning system. Develop a database for planning trips, itineraries, destinations, and expenses. Implement feature for researching travel options, booking accommodations, and managing travel expenses. So, friend, this is what we learned, the 30 different SQL projects you can make. If you follow the 70 plus those steps initially what we have talked, and you do the small concept on these 30 different projects, you will definitely have got the very good skills for using the SQL database, managing the database, administrating, and creating this system out of these databases, friend. That's the unique skill you will be knowing. If you do yourself, you will learn from everything, friends. So today we learn the how to learn the SQL. What are the 77 steps you can take to learn the SQL from the scratch, from the zero to come to the good expertise level of the SQL, understanding all the concepts, working knowledge, and also I explain you the 30 different SQL projects you can make by using this particular details given to you. Feel free to comment and do the more progress, learn the SQLs, create your own project. These are the 30 projects given to you. If you make the projects, you can able to present on our YouTube channel. We will invite you. If you make some projects based out of these 30 different SQL projects, friends, all the best to you for your learning. Every day something new learning which creates the value. We are here in the Dataplex. We share the value. Thank you, friends. See you in the next video.